Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing and awesome Talking Tom dimension, guys. That's right, we're going to be heading to the absolutely amazing and awesome Talking Tom dimension. Could you imagine if cats could actually talk? All they would probably say is, "I'm hungry, feed me, or I'm going to eat you." That's probably all they would say, guys, because they're always hungry. But what you need to head to this dimension is you need 20 light gray wool. You want to place 5 of those on the ground, just like that. Then you need fur lime wool. You want to go ahead and place 1 of those on each side, just like that, right there, guys. Now, after you have done that, go ahead, jump on up, grab your light gray wool, and place 5 of those on this side, guys, just like that. And then 1 lime wool right on top. Now you just want to go ahead and jump on down. Son of a Talking Tom, that hurt. Now you want to place 5 light gray wool on this side, and then 5 light gray wool right in the middle, guys, and then 1 lime wool on the edge. Now you can just go ahead, run, and jump on down and take a look at this absolutely amazing, beautiful, epic frame you have just created. Now you just want to go ahead, whip out your flint and steel, and light this baby up. Boom! Wow! Don't that look absolutely amazing? That looks so amazing. That would definitely make me want to scroll down and smash that red subscribe button. But now it's time to go ahead and head on into the Talking Tom dimension, guys. This dimension's going to be so amazing. Oh my god, is that his mansion? Wow, that is amazing. And oh my god, he has a hot tub. Oh my god, I've always dreamed of owning a hot tub. Oh my god, this is so amazing. What do you think, pig? Oh my god, you're a nasty pig. Oh my god, did you see how many bubbles he was creating? Oh my god, wow, that is nasty. That is so nasty. Was you farting inside his hot tub? He's going to be so upset over that one. He's going to be so upset, but oh my god, right there he is. Oh my god, wow, did he see us? I don't think he's seen me. Oh my god, he's seen me now, guys. You know what? I gotta go in. I gotta go in now because he's already seen me. But wow, look at him. Wow. You look absolutely amazing, Tom. Wow. He looks like he's really been eating good, guys. So let's go ahead and check this and check that. There's nothing inside his oven. What have you been eating? There must be something good, guys. Oh my god, he has bread. He has cake, and he has cookies. Wow, guys. Wow. I need to start coming to your house to eat, Tom, because you have some really delicious stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and place down your cakes, because if I get hungry, I'm just going to eat some of them. But wow, what is this? Oh my god, this must be like his little setting room where he just looks outside and he sees if he has any visitors. Wow, he's really excited. I think he wants to jump on the sofa with me. Wow, this is really fun. This is really fun, Tom. But you know what? You lose. Because I jumped longer than you. So you lost. I beat you. Oh, no. I'm not going to play with you again. I'm not going to do it. You've already lost. But whoa, whose bedroom is this? I think this might be a guest bedroom, or this might be his bedroom, but I doubt it because it's super, super small. He better not try to put me in that bedroom because I don't want to go in there. You're not going to try to put me in that bedroom, are you, Tom? You actually are going to try to do that? You better not. I'm taking the master bedroom. Let's go ahead and see what's up here, guys. And oh my god, you know what? I can just sleep on this sofa because wow, that is amazing TV. I could imagine myself just eating a bunch of cookies and just watching the TV set, guys, because it is amazing. Wow. That is an absolutely amazing TV, guys. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. And oh my god, this must be the master bedroom. And this must be the master bathroom. Wow, he has an absolutely amazing tub. Whenever I'm in tubs, I like to swim from one side to the other side, guys, because it's just really fun to do, guys. And oh my god, right here's the toilet. Wow, that is an amazing toilet, guys. A really amazing toilet. Let's go ahead and see if it's comfortable. Yeah, it seems pretty comfortable, guys. It seems pretty comfortable. And what is that? I think that might be the sink, guys. Really nice sink. Let's go ahead and look at his bedroom, though, guys. Let's go and see what's going on in his bedroom. And wow. He has a humongous TV in his bedroom as well. Wow, this is amazing, guys. He probably watches Smooth Marky on this TV all the time, because I could only imagine he loves watching Smooth Marky, guys. And he's probably also subscribed. Like, all of you guys should scroll down if you're not subscribed and smash that red subscribe button, because I release some really, really good videos almost every day, if not every day, guys. But oh my god, over there's Talking Tom. You know what, Tom? I think I'm going to look in your garage. And whoa, is that his vehicle? Oh my god, I did not know he owned a van. I did not know he owned a van. Wow, this is amazing, guys. This is absolutely amazing. There's nothing in the chest. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and put some cookies in there, guys. So next time he's riding his car, he'd be like, oh my god, I found some cookies. It must be my lucky day. I know it would be my lucky day if I found some cookies in a vehicle. So obviously it's going to be his lucky day. But let's go ahead and let's just blow this place out with some TNT, guys, because I know you guys want to see this place get blowed up. Are you ready for this, Tom? Oh my god, where'd he go? Oh, right there he is. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blow your house up with TNT. That's right, Tom. He's looking pretty sad. Now he's looking like a sad cat. You know what? I gotta do it, though, guys. I gotta do it because I gotta see if he's hiding any treasures. He might be hiding some treasures under this house, guys. Like, maybe his whole cat family or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna blow this place up and see, because I really, really want to blow it up, guys. Because I love seeing explosions. So let's go ahead and let's blow this place up, guys. It's going to be absolutely amazing. It's going to be so amazing, guys. It's going to be really amazing. Let's go ahead and light it up. And oh my god, I'm running away. I'm running away. Oh my god, this is going to be amazing. Boom! Oh my god, whoa! Oh my god, is he going to blow up the upstairs? Oh my god, it did. Oh my god, it did. But the roof is still standing. The roof is still standing, guys. Wow, that was amazing. But oh my god. Right over there he is, guys. He's probably super upset right now. But then again, he's rich. So he's probably just going to go and build himself another house, guys. Probably a mansion. Probably like a super big mansion. I'm just wondering where his cat family went. Because he has to have a cat family that he's just not telling me about. Unless his cat family was chased off by a bunch of dogs. I doubt it, though, guys. I highly doubt it. Maybe he just left his cat family because they wasn't feeding him as much cat food as he needed. But if you guys did enjoy this video and did enjoy seeing that massive explosion, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.